Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you the filters. Some of the filters like you are using, I have some other videos also where we have applied filters on specific on particular fields by having a text box and then click on the command button to change the source of record source of the form based on the selected field. Now here in this video I'll show you, and this is our continuous form. So I will show you how to convert into split form. Split form, or like you have seen in Microsoft Excel also, that if you have 5 or 10 columns, you can sort by each column. You can filter by values. So same kind of functionality we are going to I'll show you in this Microsoft Excel also. So this is our continuous form F1M purchase, and this is purchase title, and these are the field names. Okay, so I will just copy that one. Okay, so we'll put, you can give it any name. If I purchase, maybe data sheet. Okay, now both the forms currently look similar. What we will do in this form, go to design view. Now currently this is a continuous form, so what we'll do, I'll change it to split form. Now how the split form looks like, just to show you. Okay, form view, now you can see. So this is our original form and this is the split form. Now what happened in the split form, that one record is at the bottom. If I click here, so automatically at the bottom record is also changing, so you can do the changes in the both panels. Okay, and plus once you click on drop down, so now this one is giving you selective fields for this data sheet. So let's say we'll put only the records containing tape. So only 2 records are there. Further you can apply. Okay, so if you have 100 products, or different filters you can apply, quantity also, the price also. So let's clear out these all. Okay, I'll clear filter. Okay, now the thing is, we can change this form further. Currently SRNO, instead of serial number, it's appearing like this: CMB item ID, TXTP date, purchase date, QTY. So of course what we can do, that here for this box, go to other datasheet caption, serial number. For this one, purchase date, item, quantity, and lastly change the caption of price. Okay, so these captions are set now. Further what we will do, we'll go to the form properties now. Split form is here, which is fine. Okay, and now I will go to scroll bars, neither, datasheet on bottom, and this little bar, no. Okay, now save this. I will run this form. So now you can see. Okay, now I'll go to layout view, and I can drag this up. Okay, now you can see. Okay, my form header is here as it is. Okay, or even we can remove these field headers also. Now click the form. Okay, layout view, and I will drag further up, and now form view. So here you can see this is your form. Now you can do filtration on single or multiple fields also.